Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial for the employees of Printex USA. This will walk you through your brand new paperless enrollment portal for your employee benefits. My name is Bill Hammett and I'm very proud to be working with you guys. If you have any questions, my email address is in the email that you just got just a little while ago. Happy to help. So you're going to be looking for this email that says now open employee benefit enrollment portal. It's going to come from the Printex Incorporated Benefits Management. You should have all received this email already. You'll see this email. You'll click the sign up button here and it'll take you to this page here. If it's the first time you ever logged in, which should be most of you, you will create a password. You will confirm the password. You will agree to the terms and service. You'll sign up. You'll be brought into the enrollment portal. You'll click the Start Enrollment button here, give you an idea of what to expect. Press Start. Here's your overview. We'll continue. We'll enter all our information here. This is our personal information, address, state, all that stuff. Lots of asterisks there. Continue. Dependents. If you have any dependents, go ahead and add them here. This does not necessarily enroll them in any benefits, just allows you to see what is available and what the cost might be for them. Continue. If you have Medicare coverage listed here, if you don't, continue. Here we get to our benefits. Right here at this top box here, specify your coverage. This is the important part. You must hit the check mark or the X for anything to happen. Notice if you scroll past here, you're just going to see all these different plans and rates and there's nothing for you to click. You can't click on anything. As soon as you hit the check mark button to enroll yourself, or maybe waive your spouse. So I just want to enroll as my employee. My spouse has a plan at this person's work. It is through Anthem. The ID number is 123456. I am now going to see this select button show up on all these different plans. All right. As soon as I choose one of the plans that I like, you'll notice the rates up here are adding up on a per paycheck basis after the company pays their portion. Underneath each of these, you'll see a number of different links. You can open up the benefit summary to understand more information about the plans available. You can click here to find a provider through Sharp Health Plan. You can download the mobile app flyer. This will help you put the different technological availabilities that Sharp has. And then there's a summary of benefits and coverages. This is a mandatory document that you must open. All you have to do is open it and close it real quick, but if you would like to review it, this is an Obamacare requirement that we show you. Once you select the plan that you want, you scroll to the bottom, it's going to ask you for your primary care physician information. So this is where you would go to click on this link here. Again, it's underneath each one. Click here. We'll find a doctor. We're going to be either Performance or Premier Network. I'm looking for a doctor in my neighborhood. Primary care, let's search. Well, here it is, Mr. Russell Bennett Hayes. I can also search by last name. So you'll see if I start to type it, these names show up. So maybe I'm looking, here's my guy right here. Okay, great. Here we find all of their information. Contract information here, different locations that they are at. Map of all of it. So then we go back, we get our details. We have our name of our person here, Russell Bennett Hayes, MD. We'll copy that. We'll go back here, name, paste. And then our ID number is right here. Copy that, input that there. You could also input Sharp Community Medical Group. That's also information that would work for us. You could also just hit the auto assign button. So if you hit the auto assign button, it assigns you a provider and you can always change it later. Continue. Here's our dental plans. We'll elect for both. Notice how the numbers change instantly as I change my election. Those numbers are changing. Here's the policy. This dental policy starts on January 1st. The medical is December 1st. Continue. Vision, let's say I do not wish to have any vision coverage. I can say no other coverage, do not want. If I did want it, this would be right there. Also January 1st. I didn't do that there either. No other coverage. Continue. Notice if you don't do what they're asking you, they won't let you get to the next page. Life is a paid for benefit by the company, so you automatically will enroll in that. Continue. You'll now add your beneficiaries here. It must add up to 100%. You can add more beneficiaries. Primary, let's say I want to add my child. Okay. Add beneficiary. I could then make this person my 100% contingent beneficiary or secondary beneficiary. What the secondary beneficiary is if your beneficiary, the primary beneficiary, also is not alive when you pass, the secondary one would get the money. Continue. You're going to review what you picked, assuming that's what you want. You'll hit continue. You'll sign forms here. This is a very important part of it. This is the section that turns into basically DocuSign. You will type your name. You will sign your name with your mouse or your finger if you're using a mobile device. And then you will go through the entire application and just insert your signature anywhere you need it. Here we have the finish signing button once we're done there. And you hit finish here. You'll be taken back to that dashboard that says manage enrollment now, not start enrollment. And you should be looking for an email that lands in your inbox that looks just like this, that says your benefits have been submitted for review. When you get this email, you are all done. So that is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful.